how to add products to your cart on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issues to add products on your cart on AliExpress account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for AliExpress website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now go over the product that you want to add on your cart. Once you go over the product, you can see this cart icon, click on it. Now look at the right side of the screen, select the quantity. Once you select the quantity, tap on add to cart. As soon as you click on add to cart, the product will be added on your cart. That's it guys, that's how you're going to add products on AliExpress. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to add products to your cart on AliExpress website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.